We parked just past the county line, his hand in mine, stars realigned. The engine hummed like a lullaby, but I should've known it was goodbye. That old bench seat held more than weight. It held the words we didn't say. He smiled like he meant forever, but his silence said never. I left my heart in his truck bed, right where I laid my hopes and my head, beside a half-drunk Coke and a cigarette, and a promise I ain't heard since yet. Tires spun out, I stood in the dust, watching taillights fade with my trust. No goodbye, no turning back ahead. I left my heart in his truck bed. His flannel still hanging in my room, but it don't smell like him no more, just perfume. I drive past that road, try not to look, but every mile reads like a worn-out book. I tried to call, but hung up twice. What's the point in begging when cold feels right? He ghosted me in steel and chrome, left me more than just alone. I left my heart in his truck bed, right where I laid my hopes and my head, beside a scratch on the tailgate paint, and the version of me that thought he ain't. Tires spun out, I stood in the dust, watching taillights fade with my trust. No goodbye, no turning back ahead. I left my heart in his truck bed. Now I ride with the windows down, playing songs that don't bring him around, but I still flinch at F-150s, still late for what I thought was we. I left my heart